Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope that you all have been well since the last time that we spoke. I have another process video for you today, so grab a cup of tea or coffee, some water, settle back and watch me work. So today we have a cozy barn owl, and this piece I was able to figure out how to use references within the Procreate program so you can see kind of what I am looking at. And my idea for this owl was I wanted it to be fairly realistic with just a couple of whimsical elements. So as you can see, I added a little beanie cap and some leg warmers sticking out from under his wing on his little feet. So I went down with the classic red pen and then went over it with black, and now I'm using my gouache paintbrush and just filling in all of those beautiful browns and tans and grays. And I felt fairly confident with this piece as I was going. It just came together really naturally, and I was really pleased with how it turned out. And then I did something a little different with this piece, which was I added a background. I just felt like he should really be in a forest, and so I used a few different paintbrushes to try to get the right look for the pine trees in the background, as you can see here, and I ended up going with an oil tip. So yeah, I really love how this piece turned out, and I hope that you guys do too. If you liked this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. I will be having these types of videos up quite often, as well as behind the scenes vlogs where I share the goings on of my artwork, my Etsy shop. I also work with polymer clay, all of those good things. So if that interests you, please feel free to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Be well, and thank you for watching. Bye.